Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. I'm a student of the Bachelor of Foreign Languages with emphasis in English program, and today I'm going to describe my life. My full name is Rafael Uriel Huitrago. I'm from Ramiriquí, Boyacá. I am 35 years old. My email address is whatdoyoudo1938@gmail.com. I am a professional soldier of the Colombian Army. I live in Girardot, Cundinamarca. Girardot is a small tourist city where you can find everything that you need, especially hotels, pools, restaurants, bars. Additionally, it's a sustainable city, so you can find clinics, hospitals, schools, factories. Girardot is surrounded by two rivers, Bogotá River and Magdalena River. My hobbies are listening to music and walking in the countryside to watch the landscape. My favorite food is fish. My favorite movie is Lone Survivor. I love Lone Survivor because it's a movie based on real life facts. This movie tells us how an American soldier ran away from the Taliban in the middle of the desert. However, all the encounters of the teams, all the members of his team died. My favorite book is Inferno, writing by Dan Brown. I love Dan Brown books because the author speaks about some problems that the world has right now. Problems like climate change and overpopulation. Although the characters look for a solution, although the solution affects a half of the future's populations. My positive qualities are: I am a hardworking and responsibility person. Also, I like to help uh, to others. However, sometimes I'm selfish and I get hungry easily. My daily routine starts at 5 o'clock in the morning. After that, I do my daily routine of physical training. After that, I take a shower, get dressed, and at 6:30 a.m. I have breakfast. After that, I brush my teeth, and I usually help to my coworkers to clean up the military base. At 7 o'clock, I start working at the bakery, and until 7, at 12 p.m. Also, in the afternoon, I work from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and I study from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. One of the best moments in my life was when I met the Red Sea for first time in Egypt. That was such a nice experience because I had the opportunity to watch the fish under the water and the reef. So there was an amazing experience. Also, my worst moment in my life was when a terrorist from FARC killed two partners of mine. That was, I feel absolutely badly. Eh, I love my baby. His name is David Mauricio. He is 3 years old. He is handsome. He is pale skin. His face is round and his eyes are small and brown. He has a small nose. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.